Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I have got an unboxing video. Back in January I was sent an email by a company asking if I'd like to try one of their diamond paintings. So I agreed, and why I agreed is because they are custom diamond paintings. They're not you know, not normal ones, but from an image you send them. So they requested that I send them 2 photos, and I didn't know which one they'd chosen and what they were sending me. So it has arrived, so I thought we would open it together and see which one it is. So just let me get into this. Tell you a bit about it. Right, get rid of that and that. So it's come in a good big solid box, so that's always a good start. Right, now let's have a look. How do we open it? It's so big. Let's tip everything in. There we go. Oh wow, that's huge. Okay. Oh look, that's who it is. Okay, so it is from a company called My Craft Joy, and what it is, it's my little grandson. So what have we got here? We've got wax, we've got just a standard boat, more wax, and a pen, and that's got a little, whatever those things are called, like a multi-placer thing on the end, and some tweezers. So this is a round drill. Look at all these colours, oh my goodness. I won't go through all of those. It has, okay, has 46 colours, and it's a round. So that's that. That's a piece of release paper that they send with it. So I'll put all those over there. Keep those all together. And then those are all the drills. Keep that together. So now, oh my gosh, this is massive. This is ginormous. Oh, don't know how I'm going to get it all in to show you. Oh, hang on, what's that? Oh, there's a whole heap of release papers. Oh, cool. Move those out of the way. Right. Oh boy. Right, look at that. That's cool. And it's got his little thumbnail on both sides with the there, what it'll look like. That's really cool. I'm very, very happy with that. I can't wait to, whew, this is going to be a big big chart to do. So what does it measure? I think it's 60 by 80. Yes, 60 by 80. Oh, how fun is that going to be? So I just thought I would open that and show you what it is, and I won't be starting it for a wee while, but so thank you very much, my craft joy. I will be sure to yeah, film some progress on this chart. It's going to be lots of fun. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.